Watla ladon iwei inongpang monkeypox sapori India. Uwei naki longhe nakatnat kakoi kakhia jong kejela Meghalaya ula banjur baka jingpang monkeypox kampat don ha katmet jingma bakan kenrei hakari India. Kan National Center for Disease Control lingba katnat kakoi kakhia kalapan pau baka jingpang monkeypox kakam jelei e hadoba Afrika. Sorkar Meghalaya kaladep Pynmih ru ya ke Jingbthah ban long adakar ya ke Nongshong Shnong Kiba Wanphai hakini ki apway singi beladep nakiri kibla tikna ne nakiri kibla suba badon ya ke jingpang monkeypox. Uram Kumar S ubadeiru usketri jong katnat kakoi kakhia ula kentu ikipait ba bakimdei ban tieng kok tempan daga bapensyai bakane ke jingpang monkeypox kampur stet kum kaklam COVID khat khandai.
The predisposition in India for this kind of virus, as mentioned by Center for Disease Control, Center for Disease Control through Ministry of Health and Family Welfare notice, India is not predisposed for this kind of mpox outbreak. And mpox is not like a COVID, where COVID was very serious, and because the rate of spread was very fast. Mpox, it requires an actual physical contact between two people, either very sexual contact or contact through the skin and etc. It requires much more deeper contact, and it is not that anyone with mpox will definitely die. It's not like that. Also, the fatality rate is much more higher than COVID, but it is not like that.